Hello everyone, welcome to
We're
Busan.
here at the busy GS25 in Busan, and we're gonna see how many TikTok food hacks we can combine into one dish and into one drink. This is such a cursed food combo video, but I'm here for it. Let's try it out. First, grab your ramen, and then get your tteokbokki, and then we need some cheese. Let's grab a little egg and some corn soup. I also really want to try some of these meat sticks. Like, this one is huge. It's the size of my head, but this one looks really spicy, so we're gonna go with that. And kimchi for something a little fresh. And all of this food combined was only $13. I love Korea. Now it's time to cook our tteokbokki. ASMR. I also have no idea if I'm doing this right because I cannot read the instructions, which are in Korean. And now we've drained our water, we add our seasonings. You gotta add the whole spice packets. Are you weak? It honestly smells so freaking spicy. This ramen is also really spicy, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add this corn soup into the ramen broth and make it creamy instead. Take that out. In goes the corn soup and the soup packet. And now we let it all soak in the boiling water. Also, I've tried everything, but this girl is just gonna be in the shot, okay? We'll name her Jessica. Jessica, you want some ramen? And then when your ramen is pretty much done cooking, we gotta add the cheese. Just put it all in there. The cheesier, the better.
The juicier, the better.
Cheese. And we're also gonna add our meat stick. Sean said he loves meat sticks.
Yeah.
You know?
That's what she said.
And then we're gonna microwave all this. And now that our cheese is all melty and our meat stick is hot, we're just gonna add our tteokbokki right into the ramen. Oh my god, it just looks like the cheesiest, most savory, delicious, creamy bowl of ramen you've ever seen. I love South Korea, you guys. And look at how beautiful this yolk is. I mean, have you ever seen a more gorgeous bowl of ramen? Oh my god. Cheers. It's initially like so creamy and rich and savory, but then the spice hits you. Let's get a little rice cake. It's so cheesy. The chewiness and the added carb of the rice cake goes so well with the spice, you know what I mean? With a little egg. And the added egg for protein balances it out even more. That is spectacular. And now apparently what you have to do is use your meat stick as a spoon. I'm not even lying. The snap on that sausage is insane for a packaged sausage. It's perfect and also very spicy. This is definitely the best bowl of instant ramen I've had in my life. Sean, you gotta try this. It's crazy, right?
It was crazy. I can taste the corn.
Yeah, you can taste the corn. It adds like a sweetness. I just realized I forgot to add our kimchi. How could I? Jessica reminded me and she was like, girl, you need something a little fresh. You need something a little crunchy. Honestly, that's just what it needed. It needed a little fresh crunch. Very spicy as well. So in our ramen bowl, we have a meat stick, tteokbokki, corn soup, cheese, an egg, and kimchi, making it a total of 6 food hacks in one dish. And that feels perfect to me. Of course, we gotta get an ice cup and a little drink pouch. And you can make it extra fun by adding a little soju. And I feel like we need something fizzy, right? It's the last melon milk. And you can't drink soju at the convenience store, so I have brought our drinks home to make some sort of monstrosity. First, let's do a little drink pouch. A little peach drink. Melon flavored milk. I've had this stuff though, it is really good. It literally just tastes like a honeydew, but like a really, really good honeydew. Yeah, a little milk with our peach drink, why not? Now it's time for some soju. All right, I don't wanna go too crazy. Was that too much? Where's Jessica? She'd know. All right, topping it off with some sort of 0-calorie pineapple cider. I feel like we want a lot of bubbles. I'm sorry, this is insane. Cheers. It tastes like a pina colada. That's delicious. Honestly, not too strong. The peach flavor almost gives it like a soft sweetness. The pineapple makes it taste like a pina colada. The melon adds a little creaminess, almost like a coconutty vibe too, even though there's no coconut in it. And not too much soju. This is perfect. This is delicious. And that's a 4-drink convenience store hack for you. Try it out. Drink responsibly, 19 or older, if you're in Korea. See you at the next convenience store.
3, 2, 1!
نمک، یه قاشق چای خورده زردچوبه، نصف قاشق چای خورده پرسیا. حالا همه رو با هم مخلوط میکنم. دقت داشته باشید اگه بخواید کامل از گوشت گوسفندی استفاده کنید ممکن گوشتتون رو بردارد یکم حجمش کم بشه. پس به خاطر همین از مخلوط استفاده کنید. گوشت کامل با هم مخلوط شد ترکیب شد این کافیه. وقت دادن رو زمینی خوردش کنم. خیلی قشنگه یه دست بندیتون عوض بشه و طلایی برنجم و پیش شستم و پیش برد حالا آتش کنم. میرید در آبش و بپزه. یه دونه حالا میخوام به شما بگم از کجا متوجه میشید وقتی که یه دونه برنج داخل دستتون فشار بدید مغزش یه کمی زنده است اما لایه‌های بیرونیش نرم شده. نوبت اضافه کردن گوشت قلقلیامونه. حالا اینجا زردچوبه رو بهش اضافه میکنم. یه مقدار هم میزنم. حالا وسط مایتابم باز میکنم. یه قاشقم رب گوجه بهش اضافه میکنم. رب گوجه‌مو تفت میدم تا خوب رنگی روغن میریزم داخلش میذارم روغنم یه کمی داغ بشه. وقتی که داغ شد 100 گرم زرشک رو بهش اضافه میکنم. زرشکمو تفت میدم تا رنگ و روش باز بشه. حالا یه مقدار زعفرون بهش اضافه میکنم. هم میزنم. از رو حرارت برش میدارم. حالا اینجا 7-8 دونه آلو خشک بهش اضافه میکنم و هم میزنم. زرشکای تفت خوردم بهش اضافه میکنم. یه لیوان آبم بهش اضافه میکنم. یه خورده هم میزنم. حرارت ملایم. میریم واسه کشیدن. به یه مقدار برنج سفیدم هم زعفرون اضافه میکنم. یه مقداری هم خلال بادوم و زرشک. میخوام یه نثار خوشمزه درست کنم برای روی برنجم. خب ببینم خورشتم تو چه وضعیتیه. خورشتم هم پخته آماده است. چه رنگ و رخی داره این خورشت. نگم براتون از عطر و بوش. این هم از خورشت جذابمون. قلقلیای خیلی لذیذ. نگم براتون دیگه عطر و بوش داره منو دیوونه میکنه اینجا.